All right, Adam Savage here from Tested with my latest costume reveal. This is No Face, and he's ready for New York City Comic Con. I know, you're saying to yourself, I thought you wore No Face a few years ago, and I did. But I've been thinking ever since then that I wanted to elaborate No Face, because later in the film, he goes kind of nuts and grows this mouth underneath his face. It's totally bizarre, and he starts to eat everything. I wanted to give him that mouth, and I did. Say ah, No Face. Ah! Look at that! I am not the first one to do this. There have been many No Face cosplayers that have played around with the mouth and the teeth to wonderful effect, and I just wanted to join in the fun. He's got mechanics of hardware store aluminum strip creating the jaws and the lips, some crushed velvet and foam, and then the teeth are solid Delrin or acetal, a machining plastic that I use all the time here in the shop. And I've even added in a secondary movement. The lips move separately than the jaw because of some cabling that I've done that weirdly matches the cabling in Chewbacca's face, invented by genius Stuart Freeborn. I have followed Stuart Freeborn all the way for this cosplay. Say ah, No Face. Ah, I'm hungry. I want to eat everything. Stan, what have you done to me? It's disturbing and also really cool. It's everything I want out of a costume. All right, gonna put it on. Now, this costume involves a thing I've never put in a costume before, which is a fake arm. I need one of my arms, specifically this one, the left one, to operate the jaw of No Face. So I will have one real arm and one fake arm, and hopefully they will look relatively normal together. This is... I feel like I'm about to take part in like a Salvador Dali film. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of great. I'm going to add some vocal to this. Let's see here. I just wanted to attach it for my Stan. What have you done to me? I'm hungry. Yeah, that'll be. It's like facing out my backside, right? So it's like the voice wasn't necessarily coming from No Face's mouth, and neither is mine. Okay, I gotta get in this thing. I'm still learning how to get in this thing. Okay. Oh. This is like it's an Adam upper torso shaped arrangement in here. This hole, there we go. Yes. Okay. Dad, what have you done to me? I'm hungry. Somebody better bring me some food soon. I'm going to eat everything. Give me something to eat. Now, somebody. A carrot? That'll do. Give me more to eat. I love bonefish. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Peaches. I want peaches. Oh, I love peaches. They're fresh. Yes, chicken creature. Come into my belly, chicken creature. Stick in my craw. Dad, what have you done to me? I'm hungry. I want to eat everything. Nom 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 nom. Where is Stan? Stan. So this is where you guys make Tested. Do you have any food? I'm hungry. I want nothing but to fill this mall with food. I think we're ready. See you all in New York. Welcome to my lair. This is what it's like to be inside one of these things. Oh, yeah. Stan, what have you done to me? I'm hungry. I want to eat. I want to eat everything.